Idiot. It definitely looks like a house on fire. How you doing?
Go. In the house. We can go over there and do it.
Oh, that's right. No, this looks good. They're not going to get over that fence, are they? That one might.
No, he won't. Go.
Do they bite? Do they bite?
She might. Go. Go.
Do you think
Go
she
in the house. Let me fuck her in the house.
Yeah, okay, good.
Go.
Yep.
In the house. Go.
Shut up!
Come on, go.
Come on.
Thank you.
There, now they won't get out.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. So, Tom Reed here, and this has made my trip, man. I've been waiting to talk to you guys for a long time. Met this gentleman down here. Your name, sir?
Ron?
Ron, and you're aware I upload videos?
Yes.
You've watched a few?
Yes.
Good. So, you're no problem me uploading this video to YouTube?
Nope.
And how long you lived in Detroit?
All my life, 40 years.
Have you? And how long you been back here?
Back here, about 5.
5.
Five.
And what type of work do you do?
Landscaping.
Landscaping.
Yes.
And has that been kind of shut down because of this COVID stuff?
Yes.
It has.
Yes.
So 2 nice pit bulls you have.
Thank you.
Yeah. How old are they, by the way?
The big one's 3.5, and the other one's like maybe a year.
Oh, okay, cool. And is landscaping pretty much been your occupation over the years?
No, home improvement too.
Home improvement too.
yes.
Okay. Now, what's your is your house going to survive the demolition with the bridge?
Don't know. They're saying it is, but we don't know.
Gotcha. And my guess would be it would be, because most of the people, they seem to spelled out a plan and given them
Yeah,
options to
yeah.
move. So hopefully you make it. You know, this is a beautiful area back here.
Oh yes, quiet.
Yeah, quiet. Now, do you know your neighbor very well?
Yes, Mary.
Yeah, Mary. I've tried catching her outside, but I never have. I know.
Yeah, she's like 94 years old.
Yeah, I guess she used to have a job with the city a long time ago, and she was responsible for this park.
She still owns half of that park.
She does.
Yes.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Now, it's not my business, but you know, you've seen me drive through here
Yes,
before.
yes.
Yeah. I'm assuming that she doesn't drive any longer.
Yeah, she drives.
Oh, she
But
does.
since the COVID, she don't get out much.
Oh, I don't blame her.
She's
man.
got her son and them comes and does it. I usually do it for her, but
Oh, you do.
yeah.
Now, you know, I've been coming back here for a long time, and it looks like they're still dumping, but there's a lot less dumping.
They find little cubby holes to dump. They don't usually dump on the main here, but they dump back there and all along the back. They dump cars over here.
Okay. You know, I'm a bit surprised that they haven't secured underneath the Rouge Bridge.
Yeah, they don't mess with it.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, every time they put gates up, somebody steals them.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
Now, when I go back near the water there, you know, there was a place where you could see people who had been shooting heroin for a while.
Yep.
And but I never see anybody back there. Is that old stuff or what?
No, they do it at night.
They do it at night.
Yeah.
So do these people walk over here? They actually drive?
No, they drive cars.
Oh, they do.
Yeah, they drive trucks and cars back there.
They
They
do,
got
huh?
a whole dugout, the tree house and everything.
Yeah, they do.
over
Tree.
there.
I see they took the tree house down.
Yeah,
But
the
there's-
city did that.
Oh, they did.
Yep.
Gotcha. Now I don't see too much patrol around here.
No, every now and then you'll see a cop car.
Gotcha.
Unless they're called, they don't come back here.
They don't.
Nope.
Gotcha. And the situation, for a while, Detroit was known to have high taxes.
Yeah.
Is it still that way?
No, not really. Our taxes ain't that bad back here.
Not that bad, huh?
No.
Gotcha. And I used to see quite a few dogs running around. I don't any longer.
Nope.
Nope. That's all cleaned up.
Yep.
How did the bridge construction affect you when they were redoing the Rouge Bridge?
Couldn't really do nothing to him. You
Yeah.
had to go out that way. You could never go that way. You couldn't walk that way. Nothing.
Yeah. Do you remember? Did you meet the guy that did the security, Ted? Do you remember him?
No, I never.
Yeah,
met him.
he came back here and did. He told me that people were all super nice back along
Oh,
here,
yeah.
you know? Now, in your life, did you ever have any substance abuse problems?
No.
Good for you, man.
Just drank. But
Just drink, huh? Yeah, me too. Not a problem.
right.
Keeps you sane, man.
Yep.
And this lot right here, was there a house there at one time?
There used to be 2 houses here. All these used to be houses.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, it used to be back in the day. It used to be full of houses all down through here.
Oh, really?
It used to be nice back here.
Wow, I think it still is
Back
nice
when I was
here.
like 5 or 6, it was real nice back here.
Gotcha. Now, did you go to Southwestern?
Yes, I graduated from Southwest.
You did?
Yes.
What year?
98.
Nice school, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Not so nice anymore.
No.
You know, that Saki was supposed to redo the front facade, and they haven't done a damn thing.
Nope.
Now, what's the deal? I'm a little confused on that bar over there.
It's I guess it's like a club. It's like Eagles Club.
Okay.
You gotta pay dues to get in there.
Oh, okay. Do many people go there?
Just the regulars. You might get the like when they throw parties, they got it full, but they're quiet people over there.
Oh, they are?
Yeah, they don't mess with nobody over there.
Cool. Now, does yeah, I wish I could talk to Mary someday, but I see her out less and less. You know, I don't want to knock on the door.
Yeah, she won't come out.
I don't blame her. I would no
She
way.
wanted, her son comes, cuts the grass. She might come out and look at her car and then go back in the house.
Oh, that's about it, huh?
Yeah,
she's waved a couple times,
Yeah.
but it just never worked out for me, you know? What's your opinion like of the state of the economy? You think they're going to bounce back from this COVID, or
Not like they should.
you don't think so, huh?
No.
Gotcha. Cool. Well, you got any questions for me?
No? You
Cool.
pretty much summed it up.
Yeah, can I take a couple photos too?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, good. Hang on one sec. Here is down here in Southwest Detroit, and I happened to see this gentleman. I think you were getting a couple bottles, weren't you?
No, having lunch.
Having lunch. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Your name, sir?
My name, Bob Lee.
Bob Lee.
Yeah.
Bob, I take
Ron Lee.
Don Lee.
Ron Lee. Bob Lee or Ron Lee. They call me both sometimes.
Okay, what do you want me to call you then?
Oh, Ron Lee.
Ron Lee?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ron, I take these videos and I upload them to YouTube. You cool with that?
Uh-huh. Yes.
It's just like Detroit-oriented stuff, you know?
Uh-huh.
How old are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm about 76 years old.
76? Boy, you look pretty good for 76.
Yeah.
And where are you from?
Detroit.
This part?
Well, various parts. Downtown, like Cash Corridor.
Okay.
Southwest.
You remember Anderson's Gardens and Willis Show Bar?
And yeah, but I never went there, you know.
Oh, okay. That's why I don't remember you then.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I didn't get down there till before they tore it. It's all different now.
Yeah, totally different now.
Yeah.
Now, what type of jobs did you have during the course of your life?
I worked at a window company, and a window company, Harlan Electric Construction Company, Seal Test Milk Company. What else? Oh, after that, Twin Pines.
Dairy?
No, not Twin Pines Milk.
Oh.
But a window company.
Oh, okay.
On Greenfield, this side of Fullerton Street.
Were you a glazer or something?
No, I just cut glass. Not explain it, but
Okay, that's all right.
I was there like about
All right.
2 months.
Okay. And your favorite childhood memory?
Christmas, I guess.
Okay. Favorite movie?
I don't know. Can't think of it right now.
Favorite book?
Jane Grey books.
What is it?
Jane Grey books.
Jane Grey.
Zane
Grey.
Yeah, like Western.
Oh,
sort of.
okay. Cool.
Yeah.
You like Western movies too?
Yeah, I still watch them when I have a chance now and then. I don't usually watch
Okay.
TV too often.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Channel 20 sometimes, or 62.
Oh, okay.
Saturdays they have Western, like old time type movies.
Yeah.
Westerns.
Now, during the course of your life, any substance abuse?
No, not really. No.
Not really?
No.
Cool. Okay. And you got any hobbies that keep you busy?
No, not lately. No.
Not lately.
No.
Cool. Now, what's your take on this COVID stuff?
I don't know. I think a lot of it might be from the car engine, like the exhaust fumes, like
Yeah.
the tires on the car on the pavement,
Yeah.
and they're speeding like they're only supposed to be going 30 maybe.
Yeah.
They're looking at their speedometer maybe, and it says they're going 30, but they could be going 60. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. See, if they were looking at the speedometer and on the console, like say if they're going 10, they'd probably be going like 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, okay.
They're going like back and forth. I can barely cross the street sometimes, you know?
Yeah, right.
I get like a little angry, but
Do you enjoy living in this area of town?
yeah, it's okay, yeah.
Could you recommend any restaurants?
I haven't ate any. There's one I wanted to eat. I think it's called Ho Ho Village. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right.
It's down by CVS
Okay.
A CVS store.
All right.
They got a Salvation Army store there.
Okay.
That's pretty nice. But the whole village is it's down that way.
Oh, okay.
Trying to, you know.
Okay.
I just got back up this way. Oh, not very long ago. You know.
Oh, all right.
I used to be around. I would never usually go past that Holy Redeemer Church.
Yep.
A little bit further than that, but I usually didn't come up this far.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah. You a religious man at all?
A little bit, yeah. I wanted to get to church, but I haven't been able to.
Oh, okay.
You know, the hot weather, and where I was at, it was no good being there. At all. It was terrible. But I'm not there.
Okay.
So I get me a place up this way.
All right.
Yeah, I'm a veteran.
Oh, you're a veteran?
Yeah.
So you would have been Vietnam?
The Vietnam era.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vietnam era.
Uh-huh.
So you never saw active combat?
Not really, no.
Oh, okay.
I know there's a war in Detroit. You didn't know that?
No, which one?
This Detroit. Which Detroit?
Yeah.
Well, they never talk about it on TV. I don't like, well, they never talk about it. I know there was a war.
Really?
Yeah, it was there like on like Channel 2. I don't watch 2 very much.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Like 4 comes from right downtown Detroit.
Oh, right.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Well, you got any questions for me?
No.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
You have a good day.
All right, you too. Now that's.
Oh, it's still frozen. Isn't that great?
Did somebody
Yes.
What is it, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, wasn't that
Oh,
sweet
wait a
of
minute.
somebody?
These are all carrots.
Nice.
Carrots, frozen carrots.
Beautiful.
These are good.
Hey, so look at this. Look at that receipt. How much is it?
It's $33.40.
And then look in there. Take them out so that people can see them so that I know they got it. They want to make sure they don't think I'm blowing the money.
Right.
So-
All right.
So that's 4 packs of your favorite cigarettes. $33 and what was it?
$33.42 or something.
All right, so I'm going to take it
Something
off this
like
guy.
that.
All right, so that was the guy that watches you and wanted you to have it.
$33.40.
All right, he paid for some clothes too, which I'm going to bring down next time.
Yeah, I could use
Yeah, I'm going to get you shorts, tops, and you know what else I'm getting you? A bikini.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
My purse is over there.
That's all right.
I don't want to leave these right here.
You do or you don't?
I don't, not none.
Where
Well,
gonna-
you know what? People don't usually mess with my cart.
Well, what would you normally
One time, you know,
do? Yeah. What would you normally do with it?
leave it right here, put it right here.
Leave it there then. Just go over there and keep doing it. You should take advantage of this cool weather.
I do, I have been, and it is wonderful.
It is nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I just started a new book for those of you who are listening. And it's where this little girl walks in because her daddy was a movie star, but her mama was coming up and doing much better than him. He got jealous, turned insanely mad, and killed his wife with the scissors.
Oh, okay.
Well, the little girl comes in while all this is happening and sees it.
Oh, wow.
You know?
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
And in the little girl's mind, she calls it a monster with her daddy's face.
Oh.
And the little girl's in shock. She ran, hiding, and I guess somehow before he could find the little girl, because she ran
Okay.
and went and hid.
Right.
And she hid among all her toys in the closet, like she could have been one of the toys, and didn't move, you know?
Okay, yeah, right, yeah. Hey, so he also gave me some money for books, which I'm going to get you. But I want to double check. What kind of books do you want me to bring?
I like Clive Cussler's. I like adventure,
Right.
stuff like with elves and, Lord of the Rings type thing.
All right, okay.
And stuff like that.
All right.
Fantasy adventure.
All right, fantasy adventure. I'll do it. So I'll see you in about a week.
Okay.
You have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.